Listen and practice speaking skills. Tom. Is that you?
Anna. Wow, it's been ages. How have you been?
I've been great, just really busy with work. And you?
Same here. Work's been hectic, but it's good to see you. Do you have time to catch up?
Sure. So, tell me everything. How's life treating you?
Well, besides work, I've been trying to pick up some new hobbies. I started learning to play the guitar.
That's awesome. How's it going?
It's a bit challenging, but I'm really enjoying it. It's nice to have something creative to focus on. What about you? Any new hobbies?
I've been taking a cooking class. I've always loved food, but I figured it was time to learn how to make something more than just pasta.
That sounds delicious. Maybe you can cook for me sometime.
Deal. I'll cook, and you can play some music. It'll be like a mini concert.
Sounds perfect. By the way, have you traveled anywhere interesting recently?
Actually, yes. I went to Italy last month. It was incredible, the food, the culture, the history. I didn't want to leave.
Italy is amazing. I went there a few years ago. Did you visit Rome?
Yes, and Florence, Venice, and a little village in Tuscany. Each place had its own charm. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
I took a short trip to Japan for work. It was my first time there, and I was blown away by how different everything is. The people, the food, the technology, it's all so fascinating.
Japan is on my bucket list. I'd love to go there someday. What was the highlight of your trip?
Definitely visiting the temples in Kyoto. They were so serene and beautiful. It was a nice break from the bustling city life.
That sounds amazing. Speaking of breaks, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I was thinking of just relaxing and maybe watching some movies. How about you?
I'm planning to visit a new art exhibit at the museum. Would you like to join me?
That sounds like a great idea. I'd love to come along.
So, any interesting projects you're working on at the moment?
Actually, yes. I'm working on a new app with a small team. It's been a lot of hard work, but we're excited about it.
That's amazing. What kind of app is it?
It's a fitness app that helps people track their workouts and meals. We're hoping to launch it by the end of the year.
That sounds like a fantastic idea. I'll be your first user.
Thanks, Anna. Your support means a lot.
Anytime, Tom. You know, it's really great to catch up like this. We should do it more often.
I agree. Life gets so busy, but it's important to make time for friends. This has been such a great day. I'm really glad we did this.
Me too, Tom. It's been a wonderful experience. We should make this a regular thing.
Definitely. There's so much to explore and experience.
Agreed. Here's to more adventures and making the most of our time together.
Hey Ben, it's been a while. How have you been?
Hi, Lily. I've been good, thanks. Just trying to survive the daily grind. How about you?
Oh, you know, the usual. Work, errands, and trying to find some time for fun in between.
Tell me about it. Speaking of work, how's the new job treating you?
It's been a whirlwind, honestly. Learning the ropes, meeting new people, and trying not to make too many mistakes.
That sounds exciting. What's been the most challenging part so far?
Definitely trying to balance all the different tasks and priorities. But hey, at least it keeps things interesting.
Absolutely. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really, just catching up on some sleep and maybe finally starting that book I've been meaning to read for ages.
Nice. Which book is it?
The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. I've heard so many good things about it. I figured it's about time I give it a shot.
Ah, I love that book. It's so inspiring. Let me know what you think once you finish it.
Will do. So, how's your photography project coming along?
Slowly but surely. I've been experimenting with some new techniques, trying to push myself out of my comfort zone.
That's awesome. It's always good to challenge yourself creatively.
Definitely. Hey, speaking of challenges, have you heard about that new fitness class downtown?
No, I haven't. What's it all about?
It's called aerial yoga. Apparently, it's a mix of yoga and acrobatics, done with these silk hammocks hanging from the ceiling.
Wow, that sounds intense. I'm not sure if I'd be brave enough to give it a try.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun. Plus, it's always good to try new things, right?
You make a compelling argument. Okay, count me in. Let's sign up for a class together.
Yes. It'll be an adventure. I can't wait.